HexClad has sent me literally my new favorite pan for my review. This thing is awesome. As you can see in the video, I was making scrambled eggs with a metal fork. I don't usually use a metal fork, but I wanted to try it out because this says that it is metal utensil scratch resistant. And as you can see, I was pretty much going to town with those eggs and there is not one single scratch on here, which I think is absolutely fantastic. It does come with this really great lid. You do have the option to get it with or without the lid. This one here is 12 inches, but you can get 7, 8, 10, 12, and 14, I believe. So depending on what you are looking for. This as well, one of the things that completely blew my mind is because as you can see, of course, this is a metal handle and we all know, you know, this normally will get super hot. You can't grab it. Well, I have a gas stove and I put it on there for about 15 minutes. This was piping hot and right here was super hot. The rest of the handle, not at all. I could grab it. I did not need to put anything on here. It was cool to the touch. Literally have no idea how they did that, but it is fantastic. This you can also use on all cooktops. It even works on an induction. It is dishwasher safe. It is oven safe. And honestly, I mean, besides the fact that it is absolutely beautiful, this thing is amazing.